Hello guys, it's our first day in Cebu and we just arrived here this early morning, like 4 o'clock a.m. and right now is 1:30 or 2 o'clock, and you can see this is the dormitory. No, it's not a dormitory, it's actually a flat. So it has a toilet and kitchen, can cook basic thing, and here's the bedroom. Yeah, here's a window and here's a small balcony. And all this is only for like 12 or 13 US dollars per night. It's pretty decent. You got everything you need and a big TV. And what else? Okay, it's not too far from the city, probably 15 minutes ride. And it will cost you, if you take a jeepney, it's only like 15 peso to ride in the city, to get into the city. Taxi fare would be like, I'm not going to drive taxi, so it's really close, so I'm not going to drive taxi. And just following along with me and to explore Cebu, Central Cebu City. It reminds me a lot of like Cook Island. With the sound something nice. North of Cebu, northwest coast of Cebu. Hey, check the rate. Burger King price 2 for 129 peso. That's pretty cheap, but we don't know how the hospitality. I mean, we ordered McDonald's this morning, and it was not to me it's not good. And it's not that cheap either. I mean, it's a little bit cheaper than Taiwan, but the quality is not there. So I guess the McDonald's here overall is not good. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow. So you guys, I was trying to get a jeepney, but when I was walking on the road, I couldn't see one, so I just got a taxi and hop on. And the taxi rate, you can see is here, the starting rate, the new starting rate is 45 peso. And for one more per kilometer, it's probably, I don't know, 15 or 20 peso. I guess this trip is about 4 kilometers or 5 kilometers, so it's gonna cost us maybe around 100 peso. We're going to Ayala Mall. See you guys there. So yeah guys, right now I'm in Ayala Mall and it only costs us 90 peso, 90 from where I stay. Okay, that's Ayala Mall. The reason we want to come here is because here the bank is right across the street of Ayala Mall, so there's no withdrawal fee for the ATM, HSBC. So I'm going there to get some money. Yeah, and here's the mall, Ayala Central Cebu, and we're probably going to look around the mall later, see what's in there and how's the price. And that's the city view. That's a jeepney. That's what I want to take, yeah, but I couldn't find one. And that's a bus, I guess. Those are a cheap way to travel. So here's the bank, HSBC, and currently there's a lot of people in front of the ATM because everyone knows there's no fee, no ATM fee. Okay, right now I am in Ayala Mall. Good, have Daiso inside this mall. I'm gonna check it out. Let's check out the price. Like for example, this one is 248 peso. Sanitize fruit and just cleans. The prices are all different here. Oh, this is really cheap in my country, so how much they charge here, let's see. But it's made in Japan. What's the price? I cannot see the price. Honestly, I don't have anything I need. Maybe I can get some snacks. But why should I get a Japanese snacks from here, man? I should buy local stuff. Also, we're in Watson's. A lot of people. Oh, checking out the price. How much is this? This is like 100 NT in my country, so it's wow, $7.99. It's only 100, this kind of thing. 100 NT, which is around $3 US bucks in my country. Then here is 7.99 pesos. How expensive? Maybe those are brushes. How much are the brushes imported? Don't see the price. Okay, the price is here. It's those are the price. Alcohol price for the small one is 21. Big one is 190 peso. And for the vitamin, it's imported. It's more expensive. Honey and milk one. No, so that's a shampoo. Hand wash, 186. Body wash, 700. Wow, dope. Bottle of big water here, 29. A block of Centerville soap bar is 632. Holy. Aloe vera, quite okay, 119. Dove, it's the cheapest, 70. Oh, that's the cheapest, look, there's a 48. You could consider this soap, it's like really cheap, 55. So the bottom line is okay. A quick price is 239. You buy one, get one free, so that makes it, yeah, actually cheaper. There's a long line. We are at a Filipino restaurant, fast food restaurant Jollibee. I'm gonna see how it is. Nice, they have self-order chaos. The menu order is the menu. I'm just gonna get a chicken sandwich supreme. Yeah. Yo, okay guys, this is what I got. I got a supreme fried chicken burger, so it's just one big piece, and little fries, regular fries, and one small, I don't know, mango pie. 289. Basically 4 stuff like I'm getting. My fried chicken is quite nice. Very crispy. So yeah, I did some money exchange in here. It's called Exchange Forex at Ayala Mall, and here are the rates. If you exchange 100 US dollars, you get much better rate of 55. Okay. So
Gonna take a bit so
guys,
turn around.
I want to take a jeepney, but I don't know how to do it. So I just hire a scooter to take me, go around. $100 to go around. To back to where I stay. So here's is my rider, scooter rider. So cool. See you guys later. order a grab for tonight. 3 little 9 inches pizza. It's like one portion for one person, and 1 Coke, which is, how big is it? 1.5 liters. For total is 725 peso, and it's a little bit expensive, I think. Yeah. Okay, after trying some few slices, I feel this pizza is definitely not up to there, because you look at this, how thin it is, and the topping is really a few. And this one, each one is like 250 peso, really, for the thin smoked pizza. To me, it's quite expensive, yeah, for this kind of quality. And the cheese is made of yang cheese. It's not the quality cheese. So this is what you get. And this pizza brand is Shanky's. Okay, Shanky's Pizza probably is a local pizza. So definitely cannot compare anywhere to Domino's.